is not a big truck. The internet is not something that you just dump something on. The internet is not a big truck. The internet is a series of tools. The internet is not.
All your base are belong to us.
Everybody, la-di-da-di-da.
Budget, mushroom. Mushroom.
It's peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time.
Ding by the dun, ding by the dun.
And I, for one, welcome our new insect overlords.
We like the moon, 'cause it is close to us. We like the moon, but not as much as a spoon, 'cause that's no use for eating soup.
Snipe, snipe, Severus Snape, snipe, snipe, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore.
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore.
Snipe, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore.
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore.
My spoon is too big.
Nigga stole my bike. Nigga stole my bike. Nigga stole my bike.
The tragedy of Darth Plagueis the Wise.
Katie once told 17 magazine, yes!
You are my fire, the one desire.
Dragons!
They're taking the hobbits to Isengard. They're taking the hobbits to Isengard. They're taking the hobbits to Isengard. What did you say?
Carl, what do you want? You gotta eat to keep your strength up, man.
Hey, I'll take a number 9. Fat boy.
Give me a number 9, just like his. Let me get a number 6 with extra dip.
I'll have 2 number 9s, a number 9 large, a number 6 with extra dip, a number 7, 2 number 45s, 1 with cheese, and a large soda.
You have my sword. And you have my bow.
And my axe.
Fuck! 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 Oh!
Charlie. You silly sleepyhead, wake up!
Oh god, you guys. This had better be pretty freaking important. Is the meadow on fire?
Listen up. Here we go. I'm the new kid, moving in, getting it done, and I'm officially the candidate for having some fun.
Hey man, what you doing? Nothing, just writing a letter to my sister. Cool. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. I haven't seen her in years. It's weird because
What you say? That you only meant well, cause you did. What you say? That it's all for the best, cause it is. What you say?
Chocolate rain.
I personally believe that U.S. Americans are unable to do so because some people out there in our nation don't have maps, and I believe that our education, like such as in South Africa and the Iraq, everywhere like such as, and I believe that they should, our education over here in the U.S. should help the U.S. or should help South Africa and should help the Iraq and the Asian countries, so we will be able to build up our future for our children.
Leave Billy alone!
The vital apparatus vent will deliver a weighted companion cube in 3, 2, 1. This weighted companion cube will accompany you through the test chamber. Please take care of it.
La pequeña araña en un tubo se subió.
Congratulations. The test is now over. All Aperture technologies remain safely operational up to 4,000 degrees Kelvin. Rest assured that there is absolutely no chance of a dangerous equipment malfunction prior to your victory incandescence. Thank you for participating in this Aperture Science computer-aided enrichment activity. Goodbye.
Milkshake. Do it live. Fuck it. Do it live. I'll write it and we'll do it live.
How can you stop? How can you stop?
How is baby formed? How is baby formed? How girl get pregnant?
You just got up smash. And now. Oh, so of course Happy Feet. Wombo combo. That ain't Falco. That ain't Falco. Where you at? Where you at?
My name is Boxy.
Garuga Man.
war ein Befehl! Der Angriff Steiners war ein Befehl!
I'm 67 years old. You ain't scared me. You ain't scared me. You ain't scared me.
I'll put my foot up your
Oh, no,
ass.
you won't. No, you won't. You get my foot up yours.
Fucking magnets, how do they work?
Obviously, we have a rapist in Lincoln Park. He's climbing in your windows, he's snatching your people up, trying to rape them. So y'all need to hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife.
The rent is too damn high, party.
It's a trap.
Pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. You go good next guy. You are pretty.
Open the door, open the door. Everybody want a dinosaur.
Hey, Apple. Hey, Apple. Hey, Apple. Hey, Apple. Apple.
Streaming stuff on the internet. Why? Tubes. The internet is tubes. Connections, consumers, massive commercial purposes. Big truck, long distance is tubes. Tangled up tubes. Enormous series of tubes. Your own personal internet. The World Wide Web. The internet is tubes. Those tubes can be filled. And if they're filled, the internet is going to be a series of tubes.